Now sixth 5-year plan started in the year 1980 till 1985. Every plan worked for 5 years. So this plan also stays upon elevation of poverty. So this plan also work for removal of poverty and employment development. This plan had the following objectives. So main objective of this 6 5-year plan was, that is, significantly increase the growth rate in economy. Economy must be growth of economy must be there. Then reduce the tax rate of poverty. Poverty problem must be removed and unemployment problem must be removed. Shape and implement a population policy. Population planning, control of population planning must be there, so that people adopt small family norm voluntary and thus keep the population under control. So this plan work for poverty, removal of poverty and employment generation. And objective, what is the objective of this plan? That is growth rate in economy, that is removal of poverty and unemployment problem. Shape and implement population policy. Next is the following program was implemented in 6 5-year plan. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, that is Rural Development Program, must be initiated by government, that is for the welfare of the people. That is this full form you write in notebook, in your history notebook. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program was started, in short RLEGP. National Rural Employment Program, NREP. Salem Steel Plant was started. So all these full form, that is full form you write in your history notebook. Now 7th 5-year plan started in 1985 to 1990. This plan had stays upon food, employment and production. Okay, will work for food production, employment, development and also production of productivity, production. The objective of this plan include development, will work for development, will work for modernization, will work for self-reliance, will work for removing injustice from the society, removing the technique of production, improving the technique of production, to achieve an early yearly increase in national income of 5%. So to achieve an yearly increase in national income of 5% and increase food grain production. The following program were started in this plan. Next is, see, for this no, in 7th 5-year plan, some scheme was started by government. Jawaharlal Rozgar Yojana, India Awas Yojana, scheme of 10 lakh wells. 7th plan proved to be an important from the point of views of employment generation. So it was successful. That is, if we talk about employment. Now 8th 5-year plan started in 1992 to 1997. This plan gave work for private sector. The plan has following features. Will work for maintaining rate of growth in national income, that is at 6.5, to control the growth of population. To maintain the rate of growth in national income at 6.5 till 6.5%, that is growth of national income must be increased. To control the growth of population must be under control. Then to encourage program of family planning, proper family planning must be there. Then to remove illiteracy from the society by expansion of primary education. Compulsory primary education must be there. Every children must be get primary education, compulsory primary education till the age of 14 years. Everybody must able to read and write. So government have to look after this. So all these plan were decided in 8 5-year plan that was started in the year 1992 to 1997. Next is the following program were started during this plan. So during this plan we are talking about 8 5-year plan started in the year 1992 to 1997. प्रधान मंत्री रोजगार योजना, महिला समृद्धि योजना, राष्ट्रीय सामाजिक आर्थिक समस्या योजना, मिड डे मील स्कीम, इंदिरा महिला स्कीम, गंगा कल्याण सेक्टर. Then during the 8th plan, the importance of private sector grew. 8th plan, private sector grew, increased, developed. This plan is a reflection of liberalization and free market policy. Globalization has been started in the year 1991. That is after 1990, globalization has been started. Free market policy has been started by every country. Now 9th 5-year plan started in the year 1977 to 2002. This plan focused on agriculture and rural development. The objective of this plan was to increase the rate of growth of economy. Economy must be increased. To create healthy competition in the infrastructure sector. Healthy competition must be there. That is in infrastructure sectors. Give a new direction to industrial policy for ensuring foreign investment. So all this must be 9th 5-year plan. Government have focused on all these points. The following scheme was started in this 9th 5-year plan, that is Swarna Jayanti Sahakari Rozgar Yojana, Bhagyashree Child Welfare Policy, Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Yojana, Samaj Jayanti Gram Swarna Yojana, Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana, Anyodhya Anna Yojana, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना. In this plan means we are talking about 9 5-year plan. Communication system and service sector were achieved as per the expectation. So whatever government expected, till that expectation, this plan was success. That is in the field of communication sector and also service sector. There was a growth in the field of construction. So there was an increase growth in the field of construction also improved, and also communication system also improved in 9th 5-year plan, that is started in the year 1977 to 2000.